Hello kids, I am your daily Doctor Golo. Welcome to our special lecture titled The Truth About Junk Food, a Guide for Kids. Today, we're going to explore the world of junk food and learn why it's essential to make healthier choices. So, let's dive right in. We all love the taste of those yummy snacks and sugary drinks, don't we? But did you know that these foods are called junk food for a reason? Junk food refers to processed and high-calorie food that lacks nutritional value. They may taste good, but they don't provide our bodies with the nourishment they need to grow and stay healthy. On the other hand, we have a wide variety of healthy foods that are packed with vitamins, minerals, and other essential nutrients. These foods help our bodies function properly, boost our immune system, and keep us energetic throughout the day. So, why should we be cautious about consuming too much junk food? Well, here are a few reasons. Lack of nutrition. Junk food is often high in unhealthy fats, sugar, and salt, but low in essential nutrients like vitamins, fiber, and minerals. This means that even though we may feel full after eating junk food, our bodies are missing out on important nutrients. Highlighting the benefits of healthy eating. Eat a balanced diet. Include a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and dairy products in your meals. These foods provide the nutrients your body needs to stay strong and healthy. That's all for today's lecture on the truth about junk food, a guide for kids. Thank you for joining us, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting and educational content. Until next time, stay healthy and be your best self.